Welcome. Have you ever wondered how that mysterious number, your credit score, is actually calculated? Today we're cracking the code on this financial enigma and showing you exactly what goes into it. First up, payment history. This makes up 35% of your credit score, making it the most influential part. Think of this like a report card for paying bills on time. Next is how much you owe compared to your available credit. This accounts for 30%, and it's often called credit utilization. Imagine your total credit as a water tank. The more space in the tank, the better. The length of your credit history makes up 15%. It's like vintage wine, the older it gets, the better. New accounts can lower this score factor temporarily. Now for new credit and types of credit used. These two combined contribute 20%. Opening many new accounts at once can hurt your score. It's like asking too many people to loan you money all at once. A common myth is that checking your own credit score hurts it. Not true. Checking your credit report yourself, called a soft inquiry, doesn't affect your score. Hard inquiries from lenders do. So why does this matter? A good credit score can save you money. For instance, a 720-plus score might get you a $150K mortgage at 3.8%, saving thousands compared to someone with a lower score getting a rate of 4.6%. Remember, your credit score is just one part of your financial health. For personalized advice, consider talking to a professional advisor. Today's lesson was for educational purposes only and isn't tailored financial advice. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful or want more tips like these, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time.